Once upon a time, in a small town nestled among rolling hills, lived a young boy named Peter. Peter was an English learner who had recently moved to this town with his family. He was excited about the new opportunities and challenges that lay ahead. Peter's first day at his new school was a mix of nervousness and anticipation. As he entered the classroom, he noticed a friendly face smiling at him. Her name was Emma, and she was kind-hearted and empathetic. Emma could sense Peter's hesitation and immediately offered to be his study partner. Over the next few weeks, Peter and Emma became inseparable. They spent hours studying English grammar, practicing vocabulary, and improving their pronunciation together. Peter admired Emma's patience and dedication, and he found himself growing more confident in his English skills with each passing day. One afternoon, as they sat under a sprawling oak tree in the schoolyard, Peter shared his dream with Emma. He wanted to participate in the upcoming school speech competition, where students would showcase their English-speaking abilities. Peter had always been a shy and reserved boy, but he believed that this competition would be the perfect opportunity to overcome his fears. Emma wholeheartedly supported Peter's dream. She encouraged him to believe in himself and reminded him of his progress so far. They spent days preparing for the competition, practicing speeches, and refining their delivery. Emma's unwavering support and belief in Peter became his source of strength. The day of the competition arrived, and the school auditorium buzzed with excitement. Peter, with a racing heart, took to the stage. As he started speaking, he could feel his nerves dissipating. His words flowed effortlessly, and his voice grew stronger with each sentence. The audience listened intently, captivated by his story. When Peter finished his speech, the auditorium erupted in thunderous applause. He stood there, overwhelmed by the moment, as Emma beamed with pride from the front row. Peter realized that this victory was not only his alone but a testament to the power of friendship and support. From that day forward, Peter's confidence in English soared. He actively participated in class discussions, joined the school drama club, and even started a language exchange program for fellow English learners. Emma continued to be his guiding light, celebrating his achievements and offering a helping hand whenever needed. As the years passed, Peter and Emma remained close friends. They pursued their dreams and ventured into different paths, but the bond forged through their English learning journey remained unbreakable. They cherished the memories of their shared experiences, knowing that their friendship had transformed not only their English skills but also their lives. Peter's story serves as an inspiration for all English learners. It reminds us that with determination, hard work, and the support of a true friend, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. The journey of learning a new language is not just about acquiring words and grammar, it is about finding the courage to express oneself, connect with others, and embrace new opportunities that await on the horizon.